Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see the review about the suture kit that I have been ordered from the Flipkart. So let's go into the video. First of all, it's nicely packed, and first of all, we have this BP handle. Then we have a tooth dissecting forceps. So in the end, you have a tooth dissector, so it is called as the tooth dissecting forceps. Then you have a plain dissecting forceps. So in the end, it looks plain, so it's called as the plain dissecting forceps. And then you have this curved scissors, and you have a needle holder, which is used to hold the needle, and you can use it for the suture. So needle holder, and then you have the tongue depressor. Then they have given a stainless needles and a silk thread for suturing. And then you have a skin suture pad with a nice quality, so you can practice your suture in this and become a great doctor. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.